Okay. Alright guys, we just finished arriving here in Terminal 3. I'm back in Manila. Alright, so when you arrive here at Terminal 3, Naiya, you can go ahead and change your money. There's a lot of currency exchanges and they're about the same rate. And then also if you go and you see just down there, let me show you. If you walk more down here past all of these banks, you can go ahead and get yourself a SIM card. This is where you go and you can check how much it is. After you change your money, I recommend you go over here and get a SIM card. I'm for Smart, so we're gonna go ahead and show you how that looks in a bit. Alright, so there's also a Lawson, there's also like some cafes, and then there's Wendy's. You got a 5G SIM card right here where you go ahead and get your SIM cards and stuff. Looks like Smart is the most popular one. Hi, can I please see your thing? This is about 100 gigabytes for 1,500 and all these other prices for Globe. And then they can help you register your own SIM if you're gonna get here at Globe and or Smart. As you can see, Smart is more busy. That's why I'm Team Smart. And don't get Globe. That's coverage. Sorry Globe users. But yeah, Manila, I'm back. Let's get on with these vlogs. Alas, it's Christmas time here in the Philippines. Alright, so as I wait to install the Grab app, the Wi-Fi, the SIM card, and also I'm gonna go ahead and get Jollibee. First thing we're gonna do here back in Manila is get some Jollibee. And then we're gonna go out and go ahead and get a Grab, and then we'll start our adventure. Look at that, there's Shaky, there's Potato Corner. If you know, you know. Potato Corner is like seasoned fries. I do recommend this. Look at that. How are you, Jolly? I'm happy to be back in Manila. Let's go. After Japan, we're back in Manila. Look at that. Beautiful Filipino tradition. It's Jollibee. I like how this Jollibee has cool stuff. Little taste of home. So this is on the 4th floor of Naiya Terminal 3. I'll give you a quick go around before we eat our Jollibee. Some virtual tour kind of stuff, you know, like that. Enough of my face. My videos aren't really about my face, it's about the destination. Let's go check what we can see. This is Binalot. That looks cool, man. You got chicken adobo, pork adobo, fiesta adobo, good stuff. I love that stuff. There's a calamansi on the side. It's nice being back here in Manila. You can visit Kenny Rogers Roasters. What else we got over here? Some souvenirs if you're coming or going. Either or, you could come here. So when you land, if you really want to come here, go to the way left. There's an elevator and escalator, so it'll bring you back up to this part. Most people don't come here, they go right away to the SIM card like I showed you, the currency exchange, and they get a Grab and they get out of here and they're ready to check out this stuff. But me, I want to show you what you can also see here if you're departing, so you just don't miss out, you know what I mean? This is also fairly new, Terminal 3 here in Manila. This is fairly new. This is more for the international departures from the Philippines. Look at this, a Wendy's, Philippines Wendy's. The Philippines Wendy's here has rice. It's like a burger and rice, like a rice bowl here at the Filipino Wendy's. It's crazy. Over here you got a Miniso. And yeah, I think that's about it. I'm gonna walk back down. I'm kind of hungry, so hopefully our food is already there and we get to go eat some Jollibee. And then yeah, we'll continue on with our day. It's kind of getting late already because the TSA people, the immigration people, they were pretty like packed. I guess like 4 flights came in from Nagoya, from Tokyo, from what's that called, China, and it was crazy. And also, it's one thing I did notice about some of the immigration officers is they look like they hate their life. I'm just gonna be straightforward with you guys. You know, I'm not gonna bullshit with you guys. But the guard who checks your e-travel, he just, like, I made it for kind of nothing. He just looked at it. He didn't really verify it. and he like whatever. And then he on the passports, when he grabbed the passports, he just took out the thing like he didn't care and threw it back. And then when we finished, he didn't tell us like if we're done or not. He just like that dead stare. Maybe it's just him. Maybe he's having a bad day, but hopefully he fixes that. Because you know, when you do arrive in some new country or whatever, if you're returning back, you want to be greeted with a happy person, you know, so you know that your start of your trip is happy, not like, oh wow, this guy's pissed off. It leaves a big impression to the visitors that come to the country and seeing like, wow, this guy hates his life. But that's just one thing I gotta point out. I'm just being honest, and you know me, I like to say everything the way I see it. That's how my videos are. It's not like edited, it's not like generic, it's not like, you know, it's just the way it is. It's raw, just how my videos are. So yeah, I guess the second floor of, I don't know if this is second or third, this is where the departure line is for Naiya Terminal 3. It's over here for Cebu, and then all the other ones looking long. But yeah, I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm pretty happy. We just came back from Tokyo. We're gonna get these Manila vlogs out for you guys, and then we'll I don't know, we'll head in because it's like Christmas time right now. There's like all these Christmas trees popping up and more. But yeah, we're back in Jollibee. We'll go see if our food is here. Also, quick tip: when you're in the Philippines, do not eat the ice. You never know where it's coming from, so don't eat the ice. And if you're trying to be cautious, don't drink the water. Get bottled water. You might get an upset stomach. Who knows? Just a fair, honest tip here in the Philippines. Look at, we got a Filipino breakfast. Not really, it's evening time, dinner. This is spaghetti, the spicy chicken joy. We have the burger steak, and more palabok. We got the cooked shake. I think we got everything in the menu. We even got some yum burgers. Check this out. Yum burger. We're gonna go ahead and eat this bad boy. All right. First meal in, and the Manila. We got the yum burger. That should have been with cheese. There we go. Spaghetti. Spicy chicken joy. With that gravy. I'll show you how that looks. This one's cool because in the Philippines here, you can refill on your gravy. Wow. Good stuff. Right, got the palabok and spicy chicken. Oh yeah. Team is eating good. Mikael eating the spaghettis. I'm gonna go ahead and try this palabok. Alright, so where I'm from, which is Guam, they don't have palabok. They don't. This is palabok. It's like a cool, I don't know what to call it. Wow. They got the shrimps too. Palabok goes good with the calamansi, so yeah. If this is Jollibee, enough of this. We'll see more later. Like I said, you could refill the gravy, and I missed this one. Salute. Gotta drink the gravy. Whew. Destroyed, not a damn chance. Good stuff. Look at this Filipino vending machine. Pretty cool, man. What's this one over here? Oh, it's just a power box. But a Filipino vending machine. Funny. Hey, tip for you. When you come out of Terminal 3 and you're trying to get a grab, the guy might ask you what bay you're at. There's Bay 2, Bay 3, Bay 4, Bay 5. You just gotta let him know where you're at, and he'll come by and just stand in that area and remember the license plate and the car. a quick tip for you here in Narita Terminal 3, in case you're using a Grab and you just came and just you need a ride into Metro Manila. Alright guys, I think that's it. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.